Whoa, the playoffs. So cool.
Bottom of the ninth, tie score. And exactly who you want at the plate with the game on the line, Sonic! But staring him down from the pitcher's mound is the most fearsome southpaw in Green Hills, also Sonic.
Okay, focus, Sonic. If you win this game, you'll be the most beloved kid in Green Hills.
Hit it to the guy in left. He's a real space case.
Ugh, I can't with that guy.
Hey, about a Sonic, a swing about a Sonic. I got it. I don't got it. Go home! Come on. Shoot! Yes! I did it! Did you see that? I did it!
I really am alone. All alone. Forever. I'm sure no one noticed that giant blue explosion, right?
Hey, Wade.
Hi, Tom. Wait here. What is going on?
Well, gosh, I think the power's out.
The lights are out. The whole town is freaking out. What should I do?
Okay, relax.
Take a deep breath, call Gil, see if they can locate the down line. Then call Zim and see if he can get his generator over to the Super Q so the food stays fresh.
Call Sam before Gil? Call Gil. Hello?
Call you back.
Wait, hello? Was that the end of the instructions? Ow. Okay, all right. You can do this. What was the first thing he said to do? Right. Relax.